This week, my kitchen have turned into a pancake making, guys. That is why I decided to share this simple pancake recipe with you guys, that you can make it easy as fast without wasting any time. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more simple recipe. So let's get started without wasting any time. Here I have 3 eggs in a bowl. You can use any amount of eggs you want. Now let's add sugar to it. This is 3 tablespoons of sugar. So let's add it to the egg, adding this melted butter to the egg. Guys, this pancake that we are about to make is very simple and very yummy. Now let's mix everything together. You just have to mix it very well. It's very easy and we don't need any milk in this pancake. Just the egg. We don't need water. We don't need anything. Just the egg. So yeah, put the sugar to melt and mix with the egg together. Yes. In this point, let's add the baking powder. Hint of it. Yeah, we don't need much, just little. Yeah, like this. It's not much, you know. Mix it together again and continue mixing. And by the way, guys, this amazing music that is playing in my video is by Timba 95. You can get the music from YouTube and also Audiomack. This pancake, if you make this pancake, you are not going to eat any pancake or less this pancake. We don't add milk in it and water. It looks perfect, as you can see. Now let's add the flour. So here is the flour. So we are going to be adding it. You add it step by step. Yeah, so let's start mixing it together. And the hopeless and the van was one pray for peace and salvation. We don't want any lump in it, so we have to continue fixing it. Okay, this is looking perfect and smooth. Yes, so let's take it to the stove and start pouring it in the fry pan. Yeah. Some butter in the fry pan. Yeah, so I put it on the stove, so warm. So please be knocking on your doors. Do you wanna be like me? So please be knocking on your doors. Do you wanna be like me? So you better have to show one love to your heart. Don't let your mindset gonna turn you around this world. So you better have to show one love to your heart. Don't let your mindset gonna turn you around this world. Saving your own from your distractions. Whilst you still in power, you think you stay forever. So who are you to judge this world? So guys, this pancake, I wish that you guys are here. It tastes very good. You taste the butter and the egg. Everything tastes, and the texture tastes very nice. Going to try this recipe. It's very easy, and the ingredient is not even much, and it's very. That is why I'm eating. I don't even want to talk. Yes.
So let me continue eating my pancake. See you in my next video. Bye bye.
So peace been knocking.